We'll guide you through how to change your name on Facebook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and for whatever reason you wish to change your name. For example, maybe you want to go and use a shortened version of it. For example, my full name is Robert, but I may want to go and use Rob instead. Or alternatively, you may just want to go and change it because you got married, or there can be another reason as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on exactly what you need to do, as it may not be quite where you're expecting it to be, but we're going to guide you through it, so don't worry. So to get started, you can come into the Facebook app. Then what you can do is go to the bottom right or top right, depending upon your device, and you go and see the profile button and you can tap there. Previously, this used to be the menu button, so when you tapped here, you were taken to the menu. To then get to the menu from here, you press the three lines in the top left and it'll go and open up. Now, next you need to go navigate down and you need to go and find the option for settings and privacy like this. Then what you need to do is go and find the option for settings. You can go and see it at the top here. So you want to go and click on it like so. It'll then go and load. And then what we need to do is you don't go and scroll down. We need to go and head straight to the account center. And that is right at the top here. So here we are. And you may think you need to go down and go and find personal details, but that isn't going to be where it is. You need to come back. You need to actually go to the top and go and tap on profiles. You then go and see the different profiles you've got here, including Instagram if you've got any. And then what you can do is go and tap on your Facebook profile that you go and use. In this case, it's the one at the top for me. Then what you can do is you'll go and see the option for name and you can go and tap there. Now what you can do is go and make the change needed. For example, let's say I wanted to go and use Robert instead. I could go and type that in. Then you can go down and press review change. Just note here, you can't change it again for 60 days. So make sure it's correct. There's no typos and press review change. And then you can go and press save changes and that's it. You can go and update it.